In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Mailerlite. We'll walk through this process from start to finish so you feel confident organizing your subscribers and segmenting your audience for better email marketing. First, go ahead and log into your Mailerlite account. Use your usual login details and wait for the main dashboard to load. This is the central hub where you can access all of your campaigns, automation, and subscriber management tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Subscribers. This is where all of your contacts are stored and managed. Click on Subscribers to open up the area where you can view, organize, and filter everyone on your email list. Groups are created and managed inside this section, so this is where we need to be. Within the Subscribers area, you'll see different options for organizing your list. Find and click on the tab labeled Groups. This tab is dedicated specifically to managing your groups in Mailerlite. Groups are incredibly useful because they let you cluster subscribers based on things like behavior, interests, where they signed up, or how you want to communicate with them. After you're on the Groups tab, look for a button that says Create Group. It's usually easy to spot, often placed near the top or side of the page. Go ahead and click that button. This will open a simple form where you can define the new group you're about to create. Now you'll be asked to give your group a name. Take a moment here and choose something clear and descriptive so you and your team instantly know who belongs in this group later on. For example, you might name it New Customers, Event Attendees, or Product Interest. Think about how you plan to use this group in your email strategy. A good naming convention makes it much easier to stay organized as your list grows and as you create more groups over time. Once you're happy with the name you've chosen, the final step is to click the Create button to confirm. Mailerlite will save this new group, and it will now appear in your group's list. From here, you can start adding subscribers to the group manually, through forms, automations, or imports, depending on your workflow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a group in Mailerlite, and you're ready to start segmenting your audience for more targeted and effective email campaigns.